Yeah, it's moving day from over the road to day cab. Huh. Yeah. Yeah, man. Whew. We're in Jacksonville. Man. And we're unloading the truck right now. Putting everything into a rental car so we can get it up to Ohio. And there is a lot of junk in this truck. I was going to do a time-lapse video of me moving everything from the truck to the car, but it's just I am not prepared. It would be a really messy time-lapse. But yeah, we're unloading the truck, getting everything dismantled and ready to go back in the house, and then we'll be back in a day cab starting here in a couple of days. So the only thing I'm going to be putting in the day cab is the Sirius XM radio, the GPS, and maybe the MP3 player. There's going to be no stereo or nothing like that. No microwaves, obviously. Yeah, so we'll check back in with you guys later on today. But this is how it's looking right now. It's a mess. It's just, there's shit everywhere. There's shit everywhere, people. The floor's a mess. It's getting dirty. Everything is being dismantled as we speak. Clothes on the dashboard. It's crazy. Still got to take the CB out. You know. Come on, lighting. There we go. Everything's got to come out, so. Anyway. Crazy day in the neighborhood. Crazy day for a neighbor. We'll be back. Yeah. We're making a mess over here, ladies and gentlemen. A big mess. But anyway, we're taking a quick break so we can go and fly the drone here. We'll quick break. Enjoy the footage of some drone footage of some footage above Raven Transport's main terminal here in Jacksonville, Florida. Enjoy. Yeah. Turn this fan down real quick. It's a little warm in here. As you can see, we're almost done. We've got almost everything out of here. I've got to clean a few things. I'm actually going to clean everything up for the next guy, because I'm not about to leave for the next guy a dirty truck. You guys know how I am, so. Back. I'll show you guys just how you're supposed to turn a truck in. The right way, the courteous way. Check it out. Nice and clean. Oh yeah. The only thing left that I have in this truck is my sleeping arrangements for the night. And the stuff, my groceries that I have in the fridge. And then tomorrow morning I'll just wrap all that crap up, throw it in the car, and get out of here. Along with the groceries. But everything else is out of here. As you can see, everything has been wiped down and cleaned. Vacuumed. Everything's clean. And that's how you're supposed to do it, people. That's how you're supposed to do it. So that way the next guy that gets in it has a clean canvas to start with. Now what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go take a shower. Then me, Trader James, John are supposed to get some wings or something. So we'll be back. We'll be back. We're over here at the, what's this place called? Bono's? We're at Bono's? How do you say it? Bono's. We're getting some dinner.
Oh, what? You recording?
Yeah.
I'm on the phone. I said, hold on.
Oh, you were talking to somebody?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Well, I was doing my talk to text.
Oh, talk to text, he says.
Yeah. You concede the diet? Conceded on kicking your ass in the diet, right?
Yeah, he's kicking my butt in the diet, so we're going out to celebrate chicken wings.
You conceded. Not even 30 days in. I've lost 10 pounds. How many did you gain? Do I look thinner?
I don't know. You threw your scale over the
Do I
fence.
look thinner? I bought me another scale.
Yeah, we should weigh me to see how much I am.
Yeah, but it's a different scale. Maybe it's different.
Oh, here we go. We'll be back, people. All right, ladies and gentlemen. We're back over here at the terminal. Me and Trader James hanging out.
Stop!
About to eat us some smoked chicken wings.
Yeah, man, and some banana pudding.
I've never had smoked chicken wings, so tonight's going to be the first.
Oh, my God.
Anyway, so the truck's empty, as you can see from the previous clips here. The car's loaded. We're going to be heading up to Ohio probably tonight because I caught a little bit of a nap before. And I want to try to get there as soon as possible. So, I'm going to go eat, upload this video, and then we'll make another video tomorrow.